Dear students, through this video, we will discuss The English Teacher, a novel written by R.K. Narayan. The English Teacher is a 1945 novel written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, as you know, Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy was born on 10 October 1906 and died on 13 May 2001. Commonly known as R.K. Narayan, was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English, along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. Uh, Malgudi is a fictional town located in South India, in Ramanathapuram. In the novels and short stories of R.K. Narayan, it forms the setting for most of the Narayan's work, starting with his first novel Swami and Friends, which was published in 1935. All but one of his 15 novels and most of his short stories take place here. Malgudi was a portmanteau of two Bangalore localities, Malleswaram and Baswangudi. Okay, uh, wait. The English Teacher was a novel which was a kind of autobiographical novel of the author. It is a part of a series of novels and collection of short stories set in Malgudi. The English Teacher, preceded by Swami and Friends, which was published in 935, The Bachelor of Arts, which was published in 937, and Malgudi Days, which was published in 943, and followed by Mr. Sampath, the printer of Malgudi. Uh, the novel dedicated to Narayan's wife, his wife's name was Rajam, was not only autobiographical but also poignant in its intensity of feeling. The story is a series of experiences in the life of Krishna, an English teacher, and his quest for inner peace and self development. If we study the plot or the summary, in the summary, we can see as an English teacher and lecturer at Albert Mission College, Krishna has led a mundane, means boring, and monotonous lifestyle comparable to that of a cow, means like a cow. His life was very boring. He too plays an important role of protecting the Indian culture. Soon his life took a turn when his wife Susila and their child Leela come to live with him. With their welfare on his hands, Krishna learns to be a proper husband and learns how to accept the responsibility of taking care of his family. And he left that he felt that his life had comparatively improved as he understood that there is more meaning to life than to just teaching in the college. However, on the day when they went in the search of a new house, Susila contracts typhoid after visiting a dirty lavatory, keeping her in bed for weeks. And throughout the entire course of her illness, Krishna constantly tries to keep an optimistic view about Susila's illness, keeping his hopes up by thinking that her illness would soon be cured. uh, However, nevertheless, Susila eventually succumbs and passes away. Krishna, destroyed by her loss, has suicidal thoughts but gives them up for the sake of his daughter Leela. Then he leads his life as a lost and miserable person after her death, but after he receives a letter from a stranger who indicates that Susila has been in contact with him and that she wants to communicate with Krishna, he becomes more collected and cheerful, means very happy. This leads to Krishna's journey in search of enlightenment, with the stranger acting as a medium to Susila in the spiritual world. Leela, on the other hand, goes to a preschool where Krishna gets to meet the headmaster, a profound man who cared for the students in his school, and teachers. And the teachers or the headmaster teaches them moral values through his own methods. The headmaster puts his student as his top priority, but he doesn't care for his own family and children, eventually leaving them on the day predicted by an astrologer as to be when he was going to die, which did come true. Which did not come true. Krishna gets to learn through the headmaster on the journey to enlightenment, eventually learning to communicate to Susila on his own, thus concluding the entire story itself with the quote that he felt a moment of rare, immutable joy. The synopsis of at the back of the English teacher by Indian thought publication says, never has the magical storyteller of imaginary Malgudi when tragedy and humor so deftly together. Thank you for watching the video.